And people of Jamaica, I realize everyone I want to get up and find everything else to talk about, and I know me no soon I try wake up and talk to JPS, because I know me no see JPS come out and say them are going to give them what they would call we customers. I don't hear they say they're gonna give us the customers a ease up half our bills, because I remember new meter that my yard, you know. So them now if they come there, if they cut off my light again, them just go so bam and lick my chip. See? But that's why I always say to people, say we the Jamaicans, see? We the Jamaicans, we never fight for the right thing yet, we fight for the wrong thing. Because we have two important things in the country. We have two important things in the country, see? We have JPS, is very important, we need it. And we have National Water Commission. Those are the two things that we need. See? We need, because you have want and you have need. When you can't live without the internet, you can't live without the light and the water. These are necessities, because if you're going to go to the bathroom, you're going to need to wash your hand, you need to flush the toilet, you're going to need for bed. See? And you need the light to, if you're still going to work, you're going to need to press your clothes. You understand? You need the light for do. The light is needed to keep yourself informed. But people up on the internet and them cuss over every foolishness, them cuss over the wrong thing. And no. A few little people me say like DJ Vibes and, you know, Scatter and couple more people. I know I'm not sitting to come out and say, wow, where JPS I do for it. So I want to know if it's 20 people alone pay. I want to know if it's 20 people alone in Jamaica pay like bill. Because I tell you this, you know, we don't feel the pressure yet, you know. We feel it already. Me as an entertainer. Them done mash up the whole of my piece of food already. Saying? Sawaka, them don't mash up my piece of food already, so I don't feel it over the part already. But remember, Mr. Billsman don't stop come. Because Mr. Billsman still put it in your email, automatically in your email, automatically it come on your phone. So if you don't get it on your phone, you get it in your email. You understand? And remember when it a boil long to the time, them always tell us say, eh. Because I still not hear DJCell say them are giving extra data. I don't hear DJCell say them are giving extra nothing. Now I know I don't hear all of these important people. I tell you say them are giving extra nothing. I'll know. I don't hear it all. No, I look on my phone every minute and I say, if I go get a text on my phone and say, alright, this month, you don't have to worry about this and you don't have to worry about that. I know, I don't get that message, I don't get that email yet. I wonder if I me last, them I wait for them to send it, come give me. I don't know if nobody else get it. Because I watch news, you know, hard. And I always watch news, I listen to news too. See? So I listen to the news and I watch the news. So if I miss it on one station, I catch it on the next station. And people are watch foreign news more than Jamaican news. People are mind other people's business more than feed them business. You understand? Because Jamaica our business, you know. And we now pay our Jamaican mind. We still pay New York mind. We not say we don't pay them no mind because we have loved ones over there, but we still have to look in at our part. See? That's why I tell you, say people sit down and them war over the wrong things, them black road over the wrong things, them cuss over the wrong things, them raise them blood pressure over the wrong things. You understand? And this is what I talk about, you know. See? So, me look over Canada side and when me look, people now have to worry about rent for the next 3 months, 90 days. See? People not have to worry about money, because them are going to get money. Me hear the banker say them not have to worry about this and that. They people not have to worry about a whole heap of things over some foreign country. England say them are going to do things for people. See, but remember we are a third world country. See, and we hear our Prime Minister say them are going to give the senior citizens them a thing, and big up Ramesh will step up and him are going to help some people. And him start help them already, and him see Facebook by trade them a help some people, and you understand, and daydream them a do them little thing, and only for people a do them little something, and you don't know because nobody not give nobody nothing for put on, you know. See? Nobody not give nobody nothing for put on. But I just want to know, say, it's a wicked boy in Jamaica. I tell you that. The wicked boy in Jamaica. Because watch this. You see a man will never work, he not have nothing to lose. Man doesn't know say yo the time rough and it wicked. But a man when used to going out there and go get him piece of bread and them tell him to go on home. He might go feel it. Because if you never know, let I inform you. Anything that can count, it can done. Because if you have $1,000, you take off $100 for it, you're gonna have $900. You understand? And if you buy 5 pounds of rice, so $60 a pound for rice. 6 is 18. 4 6 is 24. And you put 6 more on it, make 28. Coming in a big school and them something about, but you can count a little bit. See? So if you go to Bama, you look and you say, alright, me have $1,000, I buy 5 pounds of rice. And one last coin is for $180 someplace. See? If you go buy fab soap, you have soap from $60 go up. So 2 fab soap, 2 Ada soap, or whatever, you have to pay $120 for 2 soap. See? So if you go look for buy the necessity, them you have to have money and then now you normally would have cook. So you normally would have cook the 5 pounds of rice in your house and it normally would have done. You have to start economize now and start cook all 3.5 pounds of rice. Or you cook for serve for 2 days. Normally you never do that yet in your yard, you know. Remember, you know. And economize, you have to economize. See? So enough people just feel like say you're just there your yard. And just, oh, you're just there your yard. Remember say you go there your yard and you still do things with cost. Because a bread is for $320. See? A bread is for $320. Normally a bread would have last all in my yard. Depends on how they eat the bread. 2 days sometime. See? So right, that's our bread done. So you go look for say you go buy 3 bread in a 1 week. See? That's $1,000 again, right? So you know. So you wouldn't have no money coming so each time. Can remember saying no, the rainy day now we are talking about, you know. Now is the rainy day, but at the dry rain we get. Because the man always tell us it's safe for a rainy day and safe for a rainy day. See? Because remember to other day you come wicked on the whole away. So nobody can come see me hear people on the internet that talk about selected this and selected that and rare this and that. We don't really jump up there them something there. You understand? Because once you economize, you will survive. Ground provision. Come in by now. I'm showing another thing. We the Jamaicans are full of fashion. We like go to supermarket. Pretty soon everybody are going to start that wholesale. See? People are going to start to go wholesale because the ghetto man always go wholesale. But you see the woman who always go supermarket, when the supermarket bills them liquor, she go say, Jesus Christ, me have to put up some of them things here. And one of the most embarrassing things is when you pick up something with a big trolley and you go up to the register, you don't have the amount of money. That's embarrassing. So you just check. Meanwhile you're going, check your pocket, check the goods them. Because trust me, if you don't do that, you have a mash up boy. Zine, we now can't get the barrel from foreign because foreign are go through the same crisis. People that are foreign are fight for food and are fight for all kind of things. So we there Jamaica, we don't really have fight for nothing right now. Because right now, you know, remember everybody will got Price Mart or they have Mega Mart, you know. Them have things stack up for the next, what do I call it now? Because last week was this pandemic. So for the next 3 weeks, them have things. And I hope it's what they wanted they pick up and not unnecessary things. You understand? Because if you pick up unnecessary things, you're going to be a fool. You're going to be a fool. Me no run, I'll know me no buy nothing put over my yard. I buy the necessary things them. Because at Jamaica this we live in, remember say we have a duplicate for everything. Like if you don't want to buy Grace, you have Eve.